Good evening, everybody. My name is Vikas, and I'm an advanced student. And first of all, I would like to thank to Joseph sir to giving me this opportunity to present a beautiful topic in front of you. So today I'm going to discuss about character. The concept of character is very vast. Sometimes we only take it as a relationship between man and woman. But it is very important to understand in very detail. To convey my message, today I am going to narrate a very beautiful story. Before starting the story, I want to tell you something about a bird, a chatak bird. In India, it is considered as a lucky bird. And what makes it special, according to the Indian literature, it drinks only the rainwater and moreover the first drop of rain, and that makes it more special. So this is the main character of the story. So once upon a time there were two chatak birds standing on a sitting on a tree branch. The birds were one father and one son. After some time, son start complaining to his father. He said that why do we always depend on rainwater? And moreover, the first drop. I'm dying from the thirst. And what if there is no rain at all? Then father calmly answered him, son, we are doing this from many centuries. And this makes us, and because of that, people admire us. And this makes us very unique. But on this, son start arguing him. He said, the world has changed now. Everybody thinks about themselves only. And what all this, even it costs our life. And what if we secretly drink water from somewhere else? Nobody even will know. Because everyone is inside their house in this hot summer. Who will see us? On this, father took a deep breath and flew to the another branch and sat there, closed his eyes and very quiet. This tree was stood in a This tree was stood in a field of an old farmer named Arjun. Arjun was known for his kindness and integrity. And since he was old, he was not able to do hard work as before. And he was facing some severe financial and health issues that time. One day, when he was returning from the market, he found a wallet in the middle of the road. He picked it up, opened it, and found It was full of money, which he was desperately needed. But in spite of his needs, he thought that what will what was his owner was thinking. He was worried about him, and he decided to return back that wallet to his owner. He found a license of a young man into that and address on it. So he decided that he will return it. Next day, he went to the address and asked for that young man, and he returned that purse to that young man. After getting the wallet back, the young man was very surprised and got very relieved after got back his wallet. Then he offered some money to the that Arjun, but he refused. Arjun simply replied that I cannot take money. I cannot take any payment for doing the right thing. And after that, he start coughing very, very heavy. So, fortunately, that man was a doctor, and he asked Arjun about his health. And after examining him, he gave some medicine to him, and he also refused to take any charge from him. And he also said that